Okay, we're looking at question number 2. It's talking about simple interest again. So again, we have that I equals PRT formula. This time it says, how many years does it take for $2,100 to double at a simple interest rate of 6%? So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark this in. We know our percentage is always going to be our rate. You can definitely go over to Desmos, but 6% as a decimal, I was starting to write it like I would in Desmos. 6% as a decimal means 6 out of 100, so that's going to convert to 0.06. Now, we need more than a rate and $1 value to plug into our interest equals principal times rate times time formula. What we are looking for here is going to be the years. That's going to be the t-value that we do not know. So we still need our interest and our principal. When we see the question that asks us about an amount doubling, our interest and our principal. So we are going to plug 2100 in for both of those. So when I do that, it looks like 2100 is equal to 2100 times our rate. You guys, if you leave it as 6 out of 100 or you convert it to 0.06, either way really doesn't matter. And then times t. And we need to solve this. I want to solve this for t. Right now, t is being multiplied with those principal and rate values. So what I'm going to do is divide those off. And anything I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to divide off on both of these. Okay, so we know this is going to cancel, this is going to cancel, so that we just have our time value. And we're going to go to Desmos. We could do it a little bit differently, but we'll go. I have no idea what I did there, guys. Whoops. Try that one more time. 2100 divided by 2100 times 0.06. So this is going to be the length of time for this interest to double. It does say round it to the 10th of a year. 10th of a year means one decimal place only. So 16.6 repeating. If I think about it, I'm just going to write it down here. I know there was more sixes there, and that's okay. If I want to round that off to one decimal place, I'm looking to the second decimal, and that second 6 is going to make it round up to about 16.7 years. So $2,100 is going to take quite a bit of time to double, almost 17 years at that simple interest rate of 6%.